What's up guys, for today's video I'm going to put to the test a really cool fire pit gadget or bonfire. Don't have to be in a fire pit, also you can just take it camping. And this is supposed to be fire spider. It's a little rock for the firewood. Let's see how it works. I'm gonna open it up. Boom, little holder. I love the holder, that way I can put it all together and hopefully use it again. Boom. Unfolds very easily, and at the same time folds also very easily. Self-explanatory, right? To unfold it, just put it like that, unfolds, and then set it down on the ground like that. Also you can do it over the fire pit like that as well. Hold it, set it down, boom. You can make it really wide, or you can make it a little bit taller. You can make it really tall. Depends how you want it to set it up. Okay, let's start to build the fire. I have here a fire starter. I'll light it up and put it under. But first I need a smaller twigs and sticks. Set them up like that. Kinda makes sense, right? You wanna start a fire with the smaller pieces. This is really dry wood, so we'll have no problem lighting it up. And that way you don't even have to worry about this stuff falling when it burns off halfway, because it'll burn for a while like that. Okay, then we're going to light it up. It's best to have a little fire starter like that, and then you can place it under, so that way it's going to burn the other stuff. So as you can see, it's like a portable fire pit holder or a campfire holder builder. That way there is a lot of oxygen going under. You can obviously cover it up with more stick this side as well, but I want some oxygen to go through, so that way the flames are breathing from the inside. And so far it looks like it was really easy to light up this sticks, and it's going to burn really well. And the best part, it's not going to collapse to this side. I don't think so anyways. It looks like it's standing pretty good. Let's see if it's going to collapse on me at all, or will it just stand the whole time for the longest time. Obviously it will collapse at some point, but I think with those sticks it's going to stand like a teepee a lot longer if you didn't have, compared to if you didn't have that gadget. Okay guys, enjoy your virtual campfire. If you live in a city and cannot start a fire, boom. You know what guys, it completely incinerates the wood because there's so much air goes through all the sticks. And the best part is, if I didn't have that gadget, like a wood holder, rock, whatever you want to call it, it would have collapsed already on me, that teepee. But because it's standing up, that way this flame is smokeless completely, and it's burning really hot and beautiful and standing like a teepee. Let me adorn a stick or two, see what it's going to look like. Another piece right here. Look at that. That's a beautiful campfire. Because everything kind of stays together, you see, I can adorn wood and it stays like a teepee. Amazing. Wow, that's a fire we got going over here, that's for sure. Where do I put this one? I guess right here. Nice. I love the sound of the fire, all that crackling, and I don't know, the flames are so beautiful and mesmerizing. Wow, that gadget, you know what, is really amazing. I'm definitely keeping it in this campfire. Otherwise that teepee would have fallen over a long time ago, but because you have the base holding the bottom really good without falling over, I was able to stack up another bunch of bigger logs, and guess what, they did not tip over, and I have this beautiful smokeless campfire, like, I don't know, like in a picture or in a movie. That's amazing. Well guys, I think it's pretty awesome. Look at that, hold up like a teepee the whole time, all the way down. It burned off. It's still standing up, couple of pieces, one fell off. But yeah, very durable, looks like didn't melt or anything. Amazing. I just took it off of the fire, and as you can see, it still works really well. I love it. So now I can put it in one of those holders, take it with me next time camping, or keep it in a bonfire for the next time. I really love this gadget. Thumbs up for me. Very durable, going to last a lifetime hopefully, but they seem to be pretty hefty.